This is the last, that is the 20th instruction from arithmetic group, that is the DAA, decimal adjust accumulator. Decimal adjust accumulator. In accumulator we are having a number in hexadecimal form. When the DAA instruction gets executed, this number gets converted in terms of binary form and it is stored in accumulator. Here only accumulator is used, therefore the addressing mode is implied or implicit. No other register or memory or byte 2 or byte 2 and byte 3 of the instruction, byte 2 or byte 3 is not used in the instruction. Only accumulator is used, therefore the addressing mode is said to be implied or implicit. This is 1 byte instruction and flags affected all. How exactly the number from hexadecimal gets converted in terms of BCD form? To understand that, first we have to take one instruction. Here suppose in accumulator the number present is 64 and in register E the number present is taken as 36. If add E instruction is executed, how that instruction gets executed? The content of register E, that is 36, added to content of accumulator, that is 64, and the hexadecimal answer is stored in accumulator. 6 plus 4, that means we have to advance 4 places here. You have to advance 4 places. After 6, 4 places means 7, 8, 9 and A. You will get answer as A, that is no carry is generated here. 6 plus 3 you will get 9. That means the content of accumulator after execution of the instruction add E becomes 9A. Now you have to convert this number in BCD form. That means if we consider the two numbers 64 and 36 as a decimal number, what will be the addition of these two numbers? You will get 6 plus 4 as 0, carry over 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 0 and carry over 1. The same operation, the same result you will get with the help of DAA instruction. That means the accumulator will have the number 00 and the carry flag will generated, the carry flag will set to 1. How it executed by the microprocessor? How this executed by the microprocessor? Here the answer 9A. We are having 2 digits. We are having 2 nibbles. Here A is called as least significant digit and 9 is called as most significant digit. Or A means combination of least significant 4 bits, that is called as a least significant nibble. Here if the value of least significant nibble, remember one thing, if the value of least significant nibble is greater than 9, then 6 is added to it. After A you have to advance 6 places. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you will get sum equal to 0 and carry equal to 1. Sum equal to 0 and carry equal to 1. If carry is generated from least significant nibble, then this carry is to be added to the most significant nibble. Here most significant nibble is having value 9. Here carry is generated from the least significant nibble. Therefore, this carry is to be added here. Here 9 plus 1 again becomes A. 9 plus 1 again becomes A. If this number is greater than 9, again 6 is added to it. Again 6 is added to it. That means after A, advance 6 places. After A, advance 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will get sum equal to 0 and carry equal to 1. That means here at this place you will get a 0. Again you will get a 0 and carry is generated 1. That means the answer in accumulator is 0, 0 and 1 is the carry generated. That means if we consider these two numbers instead of hexadecimal form, in a decimal form, what addition you will get? As a 0, 0 you will get as a sum and 1 is carry. That means you will get an answer as 100. In this way, the number in accumulator which is in hexadecimal form gets converted in terms of BCD form. To understand the rules, here the rules are given. Here actually the number 9A is present in the accumulator. After addition of these two numbers 64 and 36, here least significant nibble is A, which is greater than 9. 6 is added, sum equal to 0. Here you will get as a sum. Here carry is generated, this carry is added to 9. This carry is added to here, this carry is added to 9. You will get answer as A. Again this most significant digit is greater than 9. Therefore again 6 is added. You will get sum equal to 0. Here sum equal to 0 and carry is generated as 1. That means the accumulator contains 0, 0 and carry is set to 1. That means if we consider these two numbers as decimal number, you will get the addition as 100. Here the rules how the microprocessor executes the instruction DAA, that rules are given here. This instruction must always follow an addition instruction for two BCD numbers. It cannot be used to adjust the result after subtraction. That means before execution of DAA instruction, the previous instruction should be from arithmetic group. That is, any add instruction should be executed first.